Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could burn some. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be on different short, easy. Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be on cute, easy hairstyles for your curly hair. Because if you're like me, after a while you get tired of just this boring old hairstyle. So after about day 3 of me having my hair curly, these are some of the hairstyles that I do once I'm bored. So if you keep watching, you will see all the hairstyles. Okay, this is my day 3 hair, guys. It is big. It is a bit much for me at this point. All of my face and everything. So the first hairstyle that I am showing you is perfect if you still want this volume, but you just need your hair out of your way. So we need 2 bobby pins. Gonna take some of the hair in the front, some of the hair in the side, twist it back so it's in place and it doesn't come out. And we're gonna pin that down. Be careful not to stab yourself in the head and make sure it's not too tight because we don't want to pull those edges out. No, not cute. Pin that down. Look, I'm poking myself. But make sure you don't do that. Fluff it up and then look, a cute little, ooh. The next hairstyle is gonna be a nice little side part twist. So we're gonna take a little piece on the side, twist that up. Don't be too tight. Once again, protect the edges. Pin that on in the back. We need 2 bobby. Oop, I dropped it. We need 2 bobby pins. So pin that and secure it. This is another really quick, but it makes a difference. Look at that cute pose. Hey. Okay, this hairstyle is my go-to hairstyle because at this point I'm over it. I've done my hair too much and I just need a break. So this is what I always have my hair in. We're gonna need a headband because scrunchies for me are too small and they pop. So headband, twist it in half. And this is great if your hair is really thick and you struggle with scrunchies always breaking. Headbands are perfect amount of elasticity, and it's just great for my hair. And we are going to have a high ponytail, and it's not the regular ponytail in the back. Nope. For me, the higher the better. It just, I don't know, it makes a difference for me, and I think it's so cute. So we're gonna make that as tight as you can, not too tight, but tight enough so that it's secure. And then fluff it. Always gotta fluff it up. And perfect. Look at that, nice and easy, super cute. Ooh, yes. This is another cute hairstyle, and you're gonna need 4 bobby pins. So in these hairstyles, the part doesn't have to be perfect, so it's like a nice messy look. But if you want to, you just need a middle part, and you're gonna take your front of your hair and twist it to the back about halfway. Then you pin it up and try to put the second pin on top of the first pin so that the first pin doesn't slip out, if you know what I'm trying to say. And if you need to add more pins to make it secure, you can always add a couple more. But once again, don't make it too tight. The edges are the most important thing. We do not want to pull out our edges, ladies. No, not cute. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Pin it up. Be careful. And put the second one on top of the first one right there. And then fluff it up. And you're all done. Look at that. Fix the baby hair. Cute, yes. Now this hairstyle, I feel like it's easier to see than me explaining it. but you're gonna part the front, like the first inch of your hair. You're gonna part that all around, like the perimeter of your hair, just the front though. And then you're gonna start to braid it, because it's gonna be like a braided headband type of thing. So it's better if you start from the back a little bit so your hair covers the start, so it looks more like a headband. So you're gonna take all of that, brush it out, because my hair was tangled, so I had to brush it. Braid that up. Once again, the part does not have to be perfect because your hair is gonna cover it. And it's supposed to be a messy look, so even if your hair doesn't cover it, it's supposed to be just a cute messy look. But you can always part it with a comb to make it a perfect part. Braid that, and then we're gonna need 2 bobby pins to oh wait, I forgot. You're gonna go to the braid and stretch it out to make it thicker. It makes a little bit of a difference. Just that little thing makes a difference. Now you're gonna get 2 bobby pins and you're gonna pin that in the back. Boom. Nice and secure. That's the word of this video, I guess. Secure and edges. Fluff it up. And look at that. A cute little braided headband. So you can take your braid out just a little bit, and then you're gonna put your hair in a ponytail and put the braid in it. And you can also have a little braided headband in a ponytail. So it's the same hairstyle, just put it back in a ponytail. And that's another little twist for another hairstyle. So if you don't know how to do this type of braid, I'm not sure if it's called a French braid or a Dutch braid, but this braid right here, if you don't know how to do that, but you still want to try the braided headband hairstyle, you can also take a piece of your hair from the back and make a braid or a twist. You could even do a twisted headband. I didn't make it thick enough in this video, but take a chunk of your hair in the back, a good enough piece so that it's nice and thick, and just braid it regular or twist it regular, and then just wrap it around your hair and pin it to the side the same way. And it's the same exact look, but just a little bit easier. As you can see, it's the same thing. Nice cute little headband, and make sure you brush the hair back so that it looks like a headband. And perfect. Cute. Okay, now this hairstyle I think is the cutest one out of all of them in my opinion. I don't do this hairstyle too often, but I love it. It's a nice half up, half down look. And this is perfect for day 3-4 hair. When it's starting to get big and frizzy and you're losing your curls. I love to do this hairstyle because I like when this hairstyle is fluffy. So you're gonna take half of your hair, the front half of your hair, and take that scrunchie. You don't need the headband, and just make a little ponytail. That's simple. Make sure you pick it to the desired volume. I feel like the bigger this hairstyle is, the cuter it is. So pick it, make it big, and don't forget, you see how the headband's showing? We want to take a little piece of the hair from the ponytail to cover up the headband that's showing. So we're gonna wrap it around, make sure it's nice and flat. You can also brush this hair to make it flatter. You see, so much better. That little change makes a difference. And pin that down so it's like more of a sleeker look, I guess. I don't know, but it makes a difference. It looks so much better to me without the big old headband showing. Make it nice and big, fluff it up, and look how cute. Yes. Love this look. Perfect. Look at that. Now this is a high bun. So all you need to do is to make the high ponytail again. And this is how I make my bun. All I do, honestly, I just take my hair and I just twist it around, as you can see. It's better to see than me explaining it. But I just twist it around, all the way around. Then I take a scrunchie and I put the scrunchie around it to secure it so it doesn't unravel. And I usually put 2 or 3 scrunchies to make sure it's secure. And then you just get your little toothbrush, some Eco Styler gel, brush your edges down, make sure it's nice and neat. Get the back too, might be a little frizzy. And any little strayaways you can just tuck in, or if you want a little bit messier, you can stick some out, whatever you want to do. Okay guys, so that was my easy curly hair hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was easy enough for you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what other videos you would like me to post. Thank you. Bye.
Come through, come